Senior BJP leader and Cabinet Minister A.L. Haq yesterday stated that the BJP has only exhibited its pro-people policy and respect for the tribal sentiments by deciding to exempt tribals from the Uniform Civil Code. Haq said that this is a game changer for the party as it will open the minds of the people to think about the future of the BJP in tribal states.
So we will not have more MLAs, but in future I am telling you, we will get more MLAs.
Why?
Because of the development. And also the UCC now, they are outside the ambits of the tribal states. So BJP are listening now to the problem of the states. They are listening to the problem of the tribals. So that's why they have not introduced the UCC in the tribal state like Meghalaya.
The Khasi students